What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? What's up,
We back.
with another video.
Make sure you.
Comment and like and subscribe and hit that bell and give me a huge thumbs up.
Yes, I skate. So yeah, right now we are at Great Wolf Lodge Indoor Water Park. We just got up. We got here yesterday, but it was only like an hour left to swim. So we gonna start vlogging today. Jamal over there changing. He moving in slow motion right now. But yeah, we brushing our teeth. Yeah, get in there. Let me see. Yeah, get in there. Can you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Let me see. Brush your teeth on the camera. Let's see. Yeah. Go fast. Go real fast. Go real fast. That's not fast, King. Go real fast.
Like this.
Yeah. So yeah, man, we at the water park. And we about to go do some little fun stuff. Yeah, stay tuned.
He can't even keep up with KRISSY. Let his little sister beat him.
Mom didn't let me in the park just get my feet wet.
Daddy. Daddy got that food.
Come and get it. Hot dog and food.
We're about to eat, guys, and then we're gonna swim. We really can't take the camera for swimming. So yeah. So I'll stay out of the pool for a little bit so you guys can see the activities that we do.
Ken,
I don't know where the heck KRISSY is at.
Ken, who you shooting? You trying to shoot? I bet you supposed to go on that side and shoot him back. You supposed to go over there and shoot him back. Shoot mommy, dude. Get her. Shoot her. You try to put a little finger in there. You getting off? Go down the slide. Go down the slide. Hold up, kick. Boy!
You okay?
Pick him up. Why would you try to get...
Why would you do that? You can't jump.
This man jumped in the water, bruh.
It's okay. You okay?
Boy, why you thought you could jump off of there?
I'm like, why is he doing this?
He thought he could just step down in it.
You're not tall. You cannot do that.
He thought he could just walk off the thing into the water.
Okay? You feel like I ain't doing nothing.
You okay? You okay?
Hey, let's go. Woo! Saya Wire going backwards. All right. Saya with the backwards.
Here we go. Yes, sir. Woo! Saya, why you laying down? Yes, sir. It was fun, Saya. Nothing what? You thought y'all was gonna drown. What's up? Ma, I give you $100. You get on there right there. $100? 500. For the little 200. 200. 200. You gonna shake on it? Say less. Look, I got the shake. So when we come back up, you getting on that $200. Say, The camera got wet. The camera got wet. I didn't know it did that, man. I didn't know. The camera got wet. I didn't know it did all that, man. I didn't know it did that. The camera got wet. Bruh, I didn't know it did all that. The camera got wet, man.
Oh, it did a lot.
Ears on. Let me see your wolf ears, Mom. King, let me see your wolf ears. KRISSY, where your wolf ears? Mommy, where your wolf ears? We got ears like shooters. I'll take out wolf ears too. Hey, where your wolf ears? Yeah, you got your wolf ears. You boo-booed yourself? Let me see.
She sat down and heard something wet. She said,
Hold on. Okay, King. What? You need that. Don't take that off. Put it back. Some came out? Let me see.
No.
Let me see. I gotta make sure because you can't be on the people's floor if it's gonna be if it came out, bruh.
KRISSY, let me see.
Let me see. You good? Ain't nothing come out. I smell something.
Oh, yeah,
Let me see. Let me see.
I see the black.
Let me see. No, that's just a little shadow.
Spread that.
Hold up.
Spread it.
Oh. You boo boo. How?
Because when I said, sit your ass down, she sat down and said,
You trying to hold it in?
King, you got a boo-boo? Sit your butt down. Don't be pee-peeing in no corner.
What the? And what's wrong with this man? Can you hold it?
Yes.
I'm talking to KRISSY.
KRISSY, sit on that little thing, that ledge right there. Just sit down and wait.
Okay, hold on. Oh my God. KRISSY. Oh, is this a prank? That's
No.
chocolate?
No, for real.
What the? Oh my God.
It's for real, boo boo.
Oh
She
my.
don't even care. She's... Oh my God.
Oh my God. I'm out.